Hi viewers, this is Shaheen. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss Andhra Pradesh 10th class mathematics, chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, 8th problem. Show that the points minus 4 comma minus 7, minus 1 comma 2, 8 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 4 taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus and find its area. Okay, they given one hint beta. How can we find out the area of the rhombus? Area of rhombus equal to half into product of its diagonals. Okay, first you find out this is a rhombus, A, B, C, D, and AC is a diagonal, BD also is a diagonal. You first find out AB distance, BC distance, CD distance and DA distance. You show this one. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. But diagonals is not equal because in rhombus property the sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. Okay beta, see. Let the points A minus 4 comma minus 7, B minus 1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5 and D 5 comma minus 4. First you find out distance between AB. Okay, in square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. A point beta minus 4 comma minus 7 and B point minus 1 comma 2. This one you can take x1 y1 and this point you can take x2 y2. Now substitute here. x2 minus 1 minus x1 minus 4, minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus y2 2 minus y1 minus 7, minus into minus plus 7 whole square in square root of minus 1 plus 4 3 whole square plus 2 plus 7 9 square in square root of 3 square means 9 plus 9 square means 81. Okay, 9 plus 81 root 90. Okay, next distance between BC square root of, I will write direct so many problems are solved now, so that's why. B point minus 1 comma 2 and C point 8 comma 5. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 minus x1 minus into minus plus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That implies 8 plus 1 9 square plus 5 minus 2 3 square. That implies 9 square 81 plus 3 square 9. So distance BC distance is 90. So AB equal to BC complete. Now CD. Distance between CD in square root of C point beta 8 comma 5 and D point 5 comma minus 4. x1 y1 x2 y2. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now solve this one. 5 minus 8 minus 3 whole square plus of minus 4 minus 5 minus 10 whole square. That implies square root of minus 3 whole square 9 plus minus 9 whole square 81. That equal to 90. Next, distance between distance between DA, square root of D point beta 5 comma minus 4, A point beta minus 4 comma minus 7, x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus into minus plus y1 whole square. Now substitute here beta. Sorry, already substituted na. See beta. Minus 4 minus 5 minus 9 whole square plus minus 4 plus 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 whole square. That implies root minus 9 whole square 81 plus minus 3 whole square 9 equal to root 90. So sides are complete. Now diagonals beta. Distance between AC, square root of A point beta minus 4 comma minus 7 and C point 8 comma 5, x1 y1 and this is x2 y2, x2 minus x1 minus into minus plus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus into minus plus y1 whole square in square root of 8 plus 4 12, 12 whole square plus 5 plus 7 12, 12 whole square. That implies in square root of 12 square means 144 plus here also 12 square means 144. The result is 288. 288 you can write 144 into 2. Correct beta? 144 root value is 12. 12 root 2. Okay. Next another diagonal. Distance between BD in square root of B point beta minus 1 comma 2, D point beta 5 comma minus 4, x1 y1 x2 y2, x2 minus x1 means minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That implies in square root of 5 plus 1 6 square plus minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 whole square. That implies in square root of 6 square 36 plus 6 square 36, 2 times of 36 na beta, easy method. Okay, so 36 root value is 6 into root 2. Therefore AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA equal to root 90. Sides are. Next, diagonals are. AC is not equal to BD because AC value is 12 into root 2 and BD value is 6 into root 2. So, okay, this is a rhombus. The given points are forms a rhombus. Okay, now find out its area. Now area of rhombus, the given half into the product of its diagonals. Product of its diagonals means AC into BD, half into AC. AC is 12 into root 2 into BD 6 into root 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. 6 6 are 36 into root 2 into root 2 whole square. That implies 36 into 2. That implies 72 square units. This is the area of rhombus. Okay, beta. This is question number 8 solution. Next class we will discuss question number 9 solution. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Take care to all of you.